pretty good. So I'm on my TTR this afternoon, Sunday afternoon. I'm just going to show you over a short section of my enduro loop. I'm going to have to do it slower than normal because what it's doing is switching my phone off, and my phone's wanting to fall out of my pocket. I haven't got camera goggles. Now these little 4-strokes are gutless, these TTR250s. Don't have any horsepower, but shit, you can corner pretty hard on them. What I'm going to do here, I'm sitting on the seat, so I'm not standing up through any of the corners or anything. So I'm just going to have to do it a bit slower than I'd like to do it. The other vlog might have a bit more pace on it. So this is second and third. It's a good little downhill here. Steep phase granite. To keep it open, this is my next door neighbour's area. Run into his, he likes me to do it to keep his fire trails clean. The bike's pretty good for that, and it doesn't do a lot of damage. I come down here and run my tractor down here anyhow. Get you puffing real quick. And it's adrenaline. Unless you're doing it, unless you've done it, they don't have people don't know what you're talking about. We're doing 30 kilometres an hour now down a fairly steep hill, coming down the caravan corner, heavy braking, I'm in second gear, runner out wide, and I've got to go back to first gear. This is steeper than it looks. And I don't want to get on the right hand side. We've got off cambers up here. When you're riding as fast as you can, that's off camber. Then we come back around here, and we go down here. This off camber's down here at the corner. Down here, back to first. I'm going to rip into it a bit up this hill. This is the first gear. That's about as quick as it'll come up there without actually trying to kill it, because it won't pull second up there. It's too steep, doesn't look it, but it is. I'm going to just try and stand up here now, down here, just going back down, first gear, back wheel locking up, manipulate the front, back brake, lane into the front, down through the little dry creek. Second. It's off camber. And we go back around to the left. Now it's off a severe left-hander, severe right-hander off camber. Now we're down, coming down into a creek bed, hang on, let's let it go. Back to first, down around caravan. That's a 61-year-old in action. Raced enduro from my early teens into my late 20s, mid-20s. Then family life took over. Then from there, started racing motocross at probably a reasonable C grade level. I've ridden motorcycles all my life since I was about 11 years of age. Pulling up on the entry to my block. Oh dear, oh dear. One of my marker pegs there. Oh, that gets the bloody heart going. What a great sport. And unless you race motorbikes, unless you push motorbikes as hard as you're physically capable of, and keep them with your own limits, and that wasn't my limit. Coming back up was pretty well slipping. I was worried about my phone slipping out of my pocket. But then, yeah, that's what you got with dirt bike riding. In my opinion, the best sport you can play, the best sport you can do, because it's adrenaline, it's fitness, and it's just plain out enjoyable. But adrenaline and fitness is the things I ride for, and the sheer fun of it. So that's me and my TDR Sunday afternoon. I'm going to leave it at that. Swano Mick. Yous all have a lovely day. Swano Mick out.